You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with the next lab. So in this lab, we'll just be taking snapshots. So first thing, since my virtual machine for the workstation is already shut down, I'll just right click on the virtual machine, click on snapshot and select take a snapshot. I'm going to name this snapshot lab 70. Now similarly, I'll now go to Nita EXE@01. I'm going to close everything that is open at the moment. Close everything. Click on power and shut down and continue. The reason why I'm shutting down and instead of just suspending or doing something else from here or doing it directly from here forcefully is because I do not want unnecessary operating system issues or operating system corruptions that are prone to happen when you use a little bit of forceful methods here. Right click on the virtual machine, snapshot, take snapshot, lab 70. All right, so now moving back to Nita ADDS01. As you can see, I have a lot of things open here. So don't worry about it. I'm just going to close everything. Ideally, when you're doing the labs yourself as well, you would have a lot of things running. So it's not a problem. You can just close everything and shut down. Or you can just shut down physically and forcefully as well. Both of them work. But when you're running services like Exchange or something else, things do tend to get a little bit dicey. So be very careful when you're doing this. Now I'm going to take a snapshot. Lab 70. And that is the end of our lab here. We have built our basic infrastructure. We are good now. And now we will be moving up on this infrastructure. So in case anything goes wrong, we can always come back to this infrastructure and make it work for us. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lab.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.